Guys, we got a behemoth in here today. 2022 Ram 2500 6.4 liter power wagon. Lifted. Look at this thing. It just has a really nice stance to it. It's a good looking truck. All right, guys, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So the converters are the same on each side, as you guys can see right there, right there. Then it wires into a single. Then we cut the gigantic muffler off and installed a Flowmaster Outlaw single exhaust. Part number 815430. There'll be a link in the description. You guys can also check out our new website called exhaustaddicts.com. Check it out. We got merch, we got mufflers, and all different kind of things on there. So check it out, guys, okay? And here's the resonator that's on it. 3-inch pipe continuous resonator. And then we finished it off nicely with a 3.5-inch inlet, 5-inch outlet round tip. Just clean, nice. And we always tack them on, as you guys can see there, to keep it in place so it doesn't fall off or anything like that. We've seen that happen a lot in the past. And there's the muffler that was on it, guys, that we cut off right there. There it is. It's a Laramie 4x4, 6.4 liter, 2500 truck. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice clean idle. There's idle on it, 84. 83, 84. Go ahead and give it gas. Woohoo! That's deep. And that's still got the resonator on it, guys, too. Imagine if we took the resonator off. So this is basically a muffler swap. That sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels again. Rev it. Right at 112. He said he watched a video of ours of a different truck we've done. He's like, I gotta get it done. And he came right down right when he bought this truck. Go ahead and bring it, back it out. Got nice wheels on it too. Look at that. What size are those things? So you guys always wonder like sizes and stuff. They are 24s. 37s. That's a nice stance on it, guys. What do you guys think? Massive truck. As you guys can see, it is a Hemi 6.4 liter, baby. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Power Wagon Ram 2500 6.4 with that Flowmaster muffler swap, Flowmaster Outlaw. That sounds really nice. I like it. It's just the perfect rumble. Stay tuned. And we got this sexy Mustang coming in next. Check it out.